the questions that sometimes I get it in my DM is how you can uncover bet slip that stickers has been used to cover by using the bet ID. By using the bet ID to uncover the bet slip. And with this method, some are saying it works, others too are saying it doesn't work. So what is the truth about this? The truth is that anytime you place a bet, you are given a booking code, at the same time a ticket ID. Okay, ticket ID and booking code are two different things. The differences is that with the booking code you can use to stake the same bet, okay, but that of the ticket ID, it is the ID given to that particular booking code that you've used to stake. Okay, so that's the ticket ID is the ID for every bet slip that you just stake on. Okay, so with this one I made a conversation with the Sportybet and have to know how I can just use the ticket ID to review the booking code. And the truth is that
it's a question that I've been asking myself. If I can use a booking code to check bet slips, can't I use ticket ID to?
When you stick a bet, it goes to your bet history. So you see all your bets you've placed at your bet history. Okay.
Yeah, okay. I'm just trying to ask if it can be possible that I can use my ticket ID on the bet slips to check the results. That's what I'm just asking. And you said
no, please, no.
Unless at your end, right?
Yes.
You cannot use the ticket ID to review the booking code, but the ticket ID is used by the Sportybet to generate your bet slip for you if should in case there's an error somewhere in your bet. Okay, so the ticket ID is not at your end but rather at the Sportybet back end. Okay, so you cannot use the ticket ID to do anything unless you give your ticket ID for Sportybet to use it to solve issues on your bet slip. I hope you understand what I mean. Okay, so you cannot use the ticket ID to generate the booking code of a particular bet slip. Okay, so those asking me how they can just use the ticket ID to uncover bet slip that tickets has been used to cover them, the truth is that you cannot use the ticket ID to get the booking code of any bet slip that stickers has been used to cover them. Okay, so that's the truth about it. So if you like watching content like this, make sure you give a subscribe to this channel so that anytime I post any video like this, you will be notified. And also make sure you turn on the notification bell as well as liking this video and share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here is the talk tech, that is the talk of the tech.